Every day, every hour, every minute, every second, all over the world, sinks are draining, toilets are flushing, washing machines are washing, showers are spraying, dishwashers are cleaning, as our homes, schools, and businesses use water and create sewage. What is sewage water? %98 of water, 2% of pollutant, which contains WC flushing, organic particles such as feces, hairs, food, vomit. These vomits contain lots of diseases such as cholera, TB, typhoid, etc. Paper fibers, plant material, humus, soluble organic materials such as urea, fruit sugars, soluble proteins, drugs, pharmaceuticals, inorganic particles such as sand, grit, metal particles, ceramics, etc., floor cleaners, acids, cosmetics, hand wash, body wash, and many more. Treatment plants available in India. Conventional sewage treatment plant, known as CSTP. Sequencing batch reactor, known as SBR. Membrane bioreactor, known as MBR. Moving bed biofilm reactor, known as MBBR. Common problem in all these treatment plants are: they use 100 years old principles for the digestion of pollutant, leaving behind undigestive pollutant. They extract the pollutant using modern extraction technology. It's left untreated. They extract pollutants from water. These extracted pollutants remain without treated, and pollutes the environment and water, which needs further treatment for the removal of the pathogens. There are a lot of moving machine inside the sewage. Primary tank, aeration filter, secondary tank, sludge digestion, etc. They also produce gases, toxins, and sludge. Sludge is also a pollutant. Extracted water and pathogens. Treated water needs further treatment to clear pathogens. Environmental damage. Sewage water color and the smell remains the same. Use of chlorination. People struggle to reach the requirements. Engineering bioremediation technology is biomimic of the soil food cycle web. Engineered bioremediation technology consists of bioaugmentation, biostimulation. Bioaugmentation is introducing or adding on to the strengthened microorganism, or bacteria capable of degrading of pollute and pollutant in wastewater. Bioaugmentation has been done through ABG in the vortex system, a biodevice which generate and inoculate required consortium of aerobic bacteria into the system. Biostimulation. Biostimulation is to stimulate or engineer an environment conducive for microorganism for degradation of pollutant into elementary form by sufficient amount of aeration, nutrition, and pH value, temp, etc. Thus, this leads the total biodegradation of the nutrition in the wastewater. Aerator. An efficient fine bubble aerator is easy to install and use, which dissolves required oxygen faster and efficiently into water much better than any other aerator in the market. Airlift. Airlift uses air to lift and pump the water to one point to another point without using electricity. These are used in our vortex system for the sewage treatment. We get aerobic bacteria from soil for the treatment of the wastewater. No sludge, as it has been digested. No odor and no pathogens, because of aerobic treatment. It is compatible. It is scalable to any volume. It can be retrofit to remove small and reduce the sludge. It can be installed anywhere. Elimination of diseases contained in vomits. It's less cost. And no extraction. People don't struggle to reach the requirements. Sewage water will be collected in a filter, which will help to separate the non-organic things such as plastics, paper clips, pencils, steels, etc., from the water, which will be collected in a plastic bag. After filtration, water from the filter will be released into the inoculation tank. Inoculation tank contains ABGs. Aerobic bacteria generator, which is a biotechnical device. It generate consortium aerobic bacteria and consume biomass nutrients present in wastewater. It helps in generate bacterias more and more. And aerators. Aerator is a device used for aeration, or mixing air and water for improving the required levels of oxygen. Due to the pressure of the bubbles produced by the aerator, it homogeneous the organic wastes present in the bottom of the tank, to increase the surface area for the bacteria to act on. These aerator can be installed in STPs, ETPs, ponds, etc. Inoculation tank contains ABGs and aerators. They are connected to an air blower, which produces a pressure into the tank, by which the ABGs generate bacterias, to clear the organic waste present in the water. These bacterias consume the organic wastes, which will release friendly gases, energies, into the atmosphere, and generate bacterias and spread in the water, which helps in digestion of the organic wastes present in the water and grow in size. This water will further flow into the digestive tank. Bacteria get oxygen from aviators and nutrition from sludge for the digestion. In the digestive tank, with the help of aviators, which are also connected to the air blower, complete digestion process is undertaken, as the bacteria play the same role as in inoculation tank. After the complete digestion process, water will then flow into the settlement tank, where the bacteria will get weak, and then get settled in the bottom of the tank, including the minute particles remaining in the water, which will be absorbed by an air pump, and will be taken back into the inoculation tank. This way the bacteria and the particles present in the water will be cleared. After clearing the bacteria and the minute particles completely from the water in the settlement tank, it will then flow into the pressurized sand filter, in which silica quartz fine sand is used for efficient filtration. Water from the PSF tank will then flow into the activated carbon filter, in which the water is been treated. After the treatment of the water in ACF tank, it will flow into the ozone tank. In ozone we get fresh and clear water, which helps in removal of odor, color, pathogens. This system is less of capital, and also adaptable, which is later used for irrigation, flushing, then car washing. Further treatment through tertiary treatment options: microfiltration, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration. Lastly, reverse osmosis, which meets the ISO of 10500, which is used for domestic use and drinking, and for many more other purposes. This wastewater is recycled, treated, and reused by biomimics the solid food cycle in the nature. For more information about domestic and industrial wastewater, contact 08025430164 or 74. Mail info@aerobicbiotaxy.in. You can visit us at www.aerobicbiotaxy.in.